Why does your scanner show the P0407 engine code? What does it mean? P0407 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation EGR sensor B circuit low. This engine code indicates that this problem can stem from wiring issues, a faulty EGR valve, blockages in the EGR system, or, in rare cases, a problem with the engine control module. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Ground short, EGR valve issues, wiring problems, faulty EGR vacuum solenoid, obstructed EGR vent lines. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and BMW, among others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.